Hey everybody, welcome back to Got Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the Rosewill Graham gaming case.
Graham is a mid-tower case that's made of powder-coated steel with a large plastic window and plastic front panel. In this front panel you will see two USB 3.0 ports, front panel audio, LED power button, reset button, and a 5¼ inch external drive bay. The Graham accepts both ATX and also micro ATX motherboards. Included behind the side panel are two 2.5 inch SSD slots and also two 3.5 inch drive bays hidden within the power supply basement. The case comes with 7 expansion ports, one 120mm front intake fan, one 120mm rear exhaust fan. Also included is the option to install 2 additional fans on top, both up to 140mm in size.
Now that you've seen some of the specs of the Graham, I'm going to go ahead and show you a build that I did inside the Graham. Okay, now that we've got our system built inside the Rosewill Graham case, I'm going to show you some of the features a little closer up now that it's built. Building in here was amazingly simple and easy due to a giant cable channel right here. This made allowing the 24-pin cable to come through nice and easy. I've built in other cases before where you have to basically fight the cable through. This one is perfect. It's a nice big opening. Allows for your SATA cables to come through straight out the back. You don't have them hanging out in the front. And you have plenty of room for your GPU cables to come through. Overall, this case is very open and very roomy. One of the things I like about it is to cool your hard drives. The bottom fan here, when it blows across, these little vents are angled so they'll catch the air from the fan and push it down onto your hard drive. I thought that was a pretty neat feature. This case contains a lot of features that bigger, more expensive cases have, such as a basement. There's plenty of room in this case here to do a closed loop water system. You've got the 2 fans here in the front. If you remove them, there's room in there for a 240mm radiator, which is pretty awesome. You don't find that much in a $70 case. There's enough room for 5 fans in this case. Here in the Graham, you have one back fan. It comes with one installed LED fan that's blue. I removed that because I wanted a red build, so I put a red Corsair fan there. But up here on the top, you see there's room for 2 more fans. These are 2 120mm Cooler Master fans. And in the front, you have room for either 2 140mm fans or 2 120mm fans. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that build video. Building inside the Graham was a dream. I was very impressed with the Graham. It has style, it has function, it has affordability. Those are 3 of the most important things you want in a gaming case, and this has them. So if you're looking for a PC case, I'm gonna put the link down in the description below. I would definitely look at the Graham. So thanks to our friends at Rosewill. I really enjoyed building in it. Thank you very much. All right, guys, this has been Derek with Got Tech Reviews. And like we say, you got tech, let's talk about it.